What's up, everyone? Another day out here, bottle struck. We're gonna go check out this building right here. It's sitting in Jasper. It's an older building. I got some pretty neat stuff to show y'all. Let's go check it out. Y'all gonna like this. The first thing you can see, it's a pretty good sized building. It's all fully abandoned, but so here's the deal. When I first came in here, I started seeing bottles. Some weird looking Art Deco. Then I saw this crate. I'm like, cool. But as I farther I get in the building, there's more bottles. Not a hard bottle to find, pretty common. But wish I'd have found this place 15 years ago, and I'll show you why. Y'all check this out. That's an old Coke crate carrier for RC. There's tons and tons. Go check it out. That's old 7-Up. Another Royal Crown. There's another Coke carrier. Another Coke carrier. That one actually might be halfway decent. Let's go take a look at it. There's a bottle right now. It's in bad shape. Man, that sucks. Here's a bottle right here. Let's see what this is. Probably modern. Looks modern. Yeah, it's modern. Another bottle over here. It's another one of them. What does it say on it? Check this other doorway out here. Y'all check this out. Alright guys, let's go over to the next room. This is what I really want to show y'all. I said I hit this place real briefly the other day, and I'm going to come back and shoot a video for y'all. There's another room right here. Check out these big sliding doors. Or check out check this out. People pay big money for them things right there. Put them in their house so they can create the barn doors. Little rubber hammer. What is this one? Country Club Malt Liquor. Triple X, baby. Schlitz. Awesome. There's an old insulator. This actually looks like a, no it ain't. I'm not really sure what that is. It was laid up like that, it looked like an insulator, but really not sure what it is. What is this? It's a rubber spacer. More glass. There's glass everywhere. Thought this would be cool. Let me see if I can handle it a little better. Some kind of counters. Look at this one. So it looks like somebody painted on it or tried to paint on it. You can see how big this room is. This room is huge. This is what I really came to show y'all. It's sad, but it is so. Let's see what this one was. Royal Crown also. But look, hundreds of them. They're everywhere. I mean, a little thicker. That could actually be repaired. All these little pieces right here that you see, every one of them went to another one. Y'all look at all of them. All the pieces that's everywhere. There had to have been pallets and pallets and pallets of this stuff. What's that? Nothing. Go figure. And still in parts of this, there is a roof, just not very much. And so there's several rooms back there. That right there was a bathroom. Sugar-free 7-Up. There you go. Look here. And no, I don't carry out much stuff. The reason why is because what I think is trash might be somebody else's treasure. You know, they might come through here and think, hey, that 7-Up can's cool. I don't have one. I want it. So I'm not gonna carry it out of here and then throw it in the trash. That's not what I do. I still don't know what that is. If y'all know what that is, y'all let me know in the comments. And these make great drinking glasses. No doubt. Clean them up and you can see there was tons of them. Oh, look at all that broke. So, y'all see that right there? That is actually tar that went on the roof. And it's been there and got super hard. You can see I can't break it if I wanted to. All these bottles. Let's see. Let's see if this one says no. That's from Miami, Florida. Here's a whole bottle, but that's a newer bottle. Let's see what this one has on it. Port Arbor, Texas. Let's look at this one. It says contain carbonated water, sugar, citric acid, sodium citrate, flavors derived from lemon and lime oils. Fresh up with 7-Up. Pretty cool. Pretty cool, guys. Pretty cool. You can see all these were different in some way. Where was this one from? Birmingham, Alabama. Somebody just busted every one of them. Had the paint on there. At one time it was probably a lot brighter and it matched the Royal Crown Cola colors. See what this is. Not exactly sure. I gotta check it out. Oh, turtle shell. They were right here on the tracks, so that kind of helped out. And there's some brick out there, probably from where they tore out of here. But they call it condemned. I call it somewhere cool to check out. I don't know what these are. They're plastic and there's a ton of them. Damn. Piece of the roof just fell. That's crazy. It's time for me to get up out of here. Piece of pipe. I'm not sure exactly what these were. I'm pretty sure some of you older guys, y'all can tell me. But on the old record players that had a TV on each side would be one of these panels. The TV would be in the middle, and the record player would be on top, and maybe a radio on the other side. There's some pretty cool little gears in here too. Anyway, some of y'all old heads, y'all let me know. I'm pretty sure that's what that is from the 60s and 70s. Something back there running. I really hadn't figured out, but right here on every one of these walls, there was a brick missing, and they put a brick back. And I don't know if these were lines that ran through here. You can see up under every one of them windows, there's a brick missing. They've been put back. Not really sure. Who knows? All right, guys. Well, I appreciate y'all taking time to watch my video. But y'all like, share, and subscribe. And if y'all can tell me what them were, leave it down in the comments. But all right, everyone. Y'all have a great day.